Another decrease method, which is the purl two together. So before we've done knit two together, the other side is purl two together. So you already know how to purl. What you want to do, it's the same concept as the knit two together. You want to turn 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Get to the point where you want to decrease, put your right needle through the first, right needle through the second, and it's coming from the right direction, yarn at the front, simply purl 2 together. So again, get to the point where you want to decrease, put your right needle through 2 purl stitches, so through the right side, yarn at the front, pull down and pull off. So now we've made 2 stitches there into 1, and again 2 stitches there into 1. So that's a decrease method for the purl 2 together.